What you're looking at here is a light-duty plastic wall anchor. And you know, a lot of people find them a challenge to install because you need a drill, you need the right diameter drill bit, and then you need a hammer to set the anchor in the wall. If you haven't already guessed, this is a drywall anchor. But what makes it a little different is this right here, this very aggressive 3-tip metal blade, which allows you to drill through drywall pretty quickly and effortlessly. Unlike the first anchor, you don't even need a drill. You're given an option to install the anchor with a screwdriver, but then if you want, you can use a drill. To be perfectly honest, it was that crazy 3-point tip that got me intrigued, and I started to think, this drywall anchor was designed to drill through drywall like this. But I gotta tell you, I got to thinking, with such an aggressive metal tip like this, how would it perform on wood paneling? So we're gonna put this to the test. Even though it's really intended for drywall, let's see how it does with wood paneling. Check that out. Wow. So this is what I really thought about the anchor. The pros are, it was fairly easy to install. I had the option of using a drill or a screwdriver to install it. No need for drill bits or drilling a pilot hole. You don't need a hammer, and that anchor's tip was tough enough where we were able to drill right through wood paneling. So the con is, they're really, really expensive. I spent $27.99 for a box of 50. Now, I'm always looking for different things, different fasteners. In fact, I usually use the Easy Anchor, and they run about the same. They're costly too. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know whether or not you think the convenience of a self-tapping anchor is worth the expense. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.